All right, welcome back. Another beautiful day out here. There's a bunch of us and we're gonna go do some riding. All right, we're all loaded up here. Got a few bikes in my truck, a couple other bikes. Some people are gonna ride through the woods. Mike just got roosted big time. I feel like there's going to be some payback going on later on.
Yeah, we might have to change up the order, huh?
Yeah. All right, boys. We're entering the top secret lair. Got a couple followers. This is insane. This place is nuts. I just don't know where we go. So if you look way down there, nice little swimming hole. Stopped and took a little break.
Wish it was back up here.
Yeah, now we're tired and hot again, but we're getting there. Well, of course I forgot my GoPro, but basically the ranch that we're on, they own a ton of land all the way to that mountain ridge. And then apparently over there, it goes out to the ocean. But yeah, they got horses and everything up here.
Fourth gear.
Ha!
Yeah, I know that's a big thing.
Yeah, totally.
So you will not believe the amount of junk that is back here. It is insane. That view though, oh my goodness. All right guys, well that was definitely a crazy ride at a interesting place, we'll put it that way. Next time, I'm definitely going to get the GoPro set up and we'll do some GoPro riding stuff and whatnot. Seems kind of fun. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe while you're here, and we'll catch you on the next one.